So I am going to operate on the contingency that my last calculus video was universally liked. So you obviously are yearning for more. And I need to finish my homework so that I can sleep well tonight. It's 3:21 in the morning. I can't. It's not that I can't sleep. It's that I don't want to sleep because I'll lay in bed and be like, I didn't do my homework. Now I have to do it tomorrow. Ugh, gross. This is just like a generally easier problem than the last one I did, in my opinion. So we need the gradient of f of x, y, z. Now it's harder because there's a z, but like, is it really harder if the function that we're integrating, or not integrating, why did I say integrating? That we're taking the partials of is easier? Question mark? Here's our function. 3xy plus cosine of yz. Now, if you're like me, you see this bad boy right here, you see this bad boy right here, and this bad boy right here, and you start wetting your fucking pants. Not wetting your pants like you're wetting your pants because you're scared. You're wetting your pants because you're just moist now. You're like, wow, that's hot. And I'm going to show you why. It's really easy. Even when I'm having I'm basically having a stroke because I'm tired. I can still do this pretty easily. So we're just taking a quick partial for this bad boy. So we're on, let me get the mouse here. We're on this problem right here. If you couldn't tell, it's on screen. I'll try and make it in the center of the screen here. Yeah. Okay. We're just taking a little partial, So e to the 3x. So it's just like a basic little chain rule here. E to the 3xy times, this is just a number if it's not an x. X goes to 1. So this is times 3y. Plus, there are no x's in this, so that means it's just a number, and if it's just a number, the derivative of it is 0. So we have no plus here. Now we go to d dy, or I guess that's a phi? I don't actually know what that is. Delta? That's not a delta. Delta looks like that. Like that. Or like that. That's not a delta. But it looks like it's a d, so it's, I mean, like, I'm getting sidetracked. So we're taking the y partial, which is just e to 3xy times 3x, because if it's not a y, it's just a number. However, we have a y this time. This is going to be negative sine of yz times z, because yz, this goes to 1, this goes to z, because it's just a number. That's all it is. Okay, now we're doing d dz. This has no z's. That has no z's, so it's 0 minus sine of yz times y. And that is our gradient. So let's just type it in right quick. I'm so confident that I don't even need to look it up. I just know that this is the right answer, because if it's not, then everything that I know about calculus is wrong. And I choose to believe that I know more about kitties than you do. That's not a 3, that's a 2. Okay. 3x. E to the 3xy. That's an S. My typing skills are becoming a little shoddy, times z sine of yz. Correct. Can't be wrong. Sine of what? Y sine of yz. And that is our gradient, bad boy. What do you mean it's wrong? I just stopped recording for about 10 seconds. Got the question right. Do you know what the issue was? Do you understand what the issue was? The issue was that I didn't have a space right here. You peep the previous answers. These are equivalent. These are equivalent. These are equivalent. There is no space right here. There is a space right here. This is an X. This is a check mark. Kill yourself. That is all. They had me doubting my skills as a mathematician over a space. Over a space. Over a space. Over a space. Hell yeah. That's all. That's all, folks. Just had to clear things up.